That's okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay.
1 second.
Really mute. That's good. Okay. So can you share? Let me see. I thought I allow other people to share.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there we go. Popped up.
Yeah. That's great. Okay.
Okay. Now
Now you might want to, yeah. Okay.
let me
So,
find it. So I started my if defs in here.
uh-huh.
In the IoT thing.
Right.
And then for each one I had like the different class. And then somebody told me that if it was virtual, I could add that V table into the if def instead of including it into the main, like, so that each one was, oops, sorry. So it wouldn't be like underneath the normal class, so it wouldn't affect things that weren't virtually inherited.
Okay. I actually don't know about that V-tape virtual table line.
Okay,
Can you actually just comment out all this 4 lines says virtual,
yeah.
virtual void V table? It might be a clever way to do it. I think there was one more. Oh yeah, let me check very quickly. Single virtual. Um. Okay, okay. So after you comment out what happened, if
I'm
you
just trying to figure out how to, because I don't, sorry, that keeps,
no, that's okay. You try to run it and see what happens.
I don't think it can compile yet. This is what my make file looks like.
Okay, let me can I
Yeah.
can I have your, can you up your window, the terminal? Can you give me the terminal?
Yeah.
No, doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Can I play around? So the file you just modify is IoT thing.h, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me try if I can compile G++, minus std.
I did change this name and then it's now homework 5. So I was just trying to go back in the desktop to,
Oh. So it says not in this directory. It's not in this directory?
no, that was yours. So I could see how it ran. And so
Okay.
it's back in desktop.
Okay, so let me do this. G++ minus std is equal to C plus 14. And then // is called IoT thing, right?
Yes.
But it's not there.
It's in the desktop, there's a homework 5 that
Okay.
I put.
Like this?
Yes.
Or if I edit
Yeah.
it? H, okay?
Yeah.
We just compile this minus C. It shouldn't take that long. That's interesting. Well, 1 second. What happened? This is a program, right?
Mhm.
If define, well, this is different from what we just saw. You see that there is no
Yeah.
single inheritance. Where is the one that we just asked you, I just asked you to change your, where is this file?
This is from the memory layout, actually.
Okay,
I had just edited the wrong one. So
Okay.
just give me 1 second. to
sure,
switch
sure,
back.
sure. Yeah, what question do you have?
Yeah, we got a question.
Yeah.
I have a question about homework.
No, everybody here has question about homework 5. What
so,
kind of question you have?
The homework assignment say, the requirement said we need a separate program for each case, right?
Right,
But what I did is like this, where I use I use the macro for each case.
that's fine.
I don't know if it's fine.
It's okay.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I got another tricky question. So, for printing out the layout of the variable, since we already got the memory layout here, I already used the command to print out. Wait, is it? I already used the command to print out each case layout, memory layout. Can I just use the number here, but not use the?
No, I prefer you actually calculate the offset. But what happens if the TA decide when they grade your code, they actually modify one line in your declaration, adding a variable or something like that, then your program is supposed to generate the same layout.
Yeah.
Your program should not be specific to a layout that's actually already statically configured. No, that's not, yeah.
So
Because if they change that, the address won't be correct because the address, we actually, the offset is really the difference between two addresses. Is everything okay? No?
Yeah, there was a mix up between some of my files, so
Okay,
it's almost there then.
So you're saying we shouldn't use just a number here?
yeah, that number need to be calculated somehow. That's actually the purpose of this homework.
But I try to use the method introduced in the lecture, but
There
I
are
got
two methods
I
and
got negative number.
I can help you with that about why the method doesn't work. But that, I'd be happy to do that. Yeah. What do you get?
Okay, now it should be everything's there correctly.
Okay, let's go to your terminal.
Yeah.
Is this the file under H5 edited?
Yes.
No, that's okay. Just go to the sorry about that. Go back. Yeah, enter. Okay, so there is a syntax error. Line 41. Can you go to line 41 of this file?
Yeah.
Okay, let's here 41. Okay, because you probably didn't have anything defined so far, right? So that's why you haven't defined anything, so just skip everything. So maybe you can do, okay, I got it. So it's a single, okay, let's go to your code. I'm going to do this minus capital D single. Okay,
Yeah.
let's see what happens.
It may not run because I don't have everything.
No, it's okay. It's a minus C. It's minus C is just checking the syntax. Very strange. It's the compiler kind of hang there. Let me try to do the other way. So this one I got an arrow, which I know. So there is something which is actually hang the code. Let me actually take a look why this is like going forever. Doesn't make sense. Yeah, not define something define. This is an if virtual single, virtual, that's the second thing. This one you call a thing. This one you call a virtual thing.
So I just come, it's like a different path in the.
Okay. And then you have this part. Yeah, that looks fine to me.
Could it be something in my make file or?
No, I'm not using makefile. I'm just using
Yeah.
okay, I'm gonna do something different. Let's see. The last one is called virtual thing. So let me do minus capital D virtual thing. Okay, now still have this problem.
Yeah, cause I write.
If oh, virtual things. So this is a virtual things. Oh, watch out, watch out. No, that's okay. No, it's feel bad for your computer. Yeah. It's very interesting. Can you send this file to me, the email? Let me do it in my computer.
Did you
Your-
like the whole?
No, just that file,
Just the
just
file?
that .h file, yeah.
I shouldn't do this. Yeah. I should.
It's very strange that you have that.
Because we're supposed to. Yeah, I just bring out.
Did you send it to me?
One, I'm almost there.
Okay, sure. Give me a second. So anybody else have a different type of if def problem? If, did you send it to me?
Yes.
Okay, let me, hopefully I'll get it really soon. Let me check my, got it.
I don't know. I don't usually. Well, I don't know.
Okay, I'm going to memory layout, make a directory Daniel. Not Daniel K, sorry. And I'm going to move. This is star H here. Yeah, there's only one file, right?
Yeah.
You can see the screen. So I'm going to do G++ minus std is equal to C plus 14 minus C IoT thing.h. So I have oh, I don't have the file. That's fine. I'm going to copy / thing .h here. Core, I don't have a core. That's fine. I'm going to copy core here as well. EPS. Oh, I pretty much need everything. Network. Okay, that's fine. That's the things we had. I would say minus D single, right?
Yeah,
Is that something like that?
yes.
Okay, let me actually take a look. What happened to if define single Doesn't make sense. Okay. Let me actually check this one.
Oh, you need to.
Let me actually just define single. Put it here. Define.
What is this thing?
Okay, I just do this way. Are you happy with this?
Yeah, you need that.
Treating C header. So it looks it's okay. It looks I can compile. It's just a warning message.
Okay.
So, okay, I think I got it okay. Let me remove this one. I think it's just a warning, but I want to see what's the source of the warning. If defined thing. I want to see whether there is anything. Let me actually just make sure it's more readable this way.
So you can here, and from here, we got four scenario. And the second one we have
Okay, if I do this, this will be okay because that will trigger the case number one. If I do thing, is that things? What is the second?
The second one I have is virtual single.
No, it's the things, right? THINGS. This should be fine.
Yeah, it's just saying it's not, you didn't include another thing into
Oh,
the,
because I don't have another thing. Got it. No, makes sense. It is, I forgot about that. Okay, it's all warning and then virtual. Yeah, it's fine. Also virtual single. Okay, why virtual single is not right? Did I misspell something? Virtual single doesn't have a dash at the end. Okay, I'm going to add a dash. No, it's okay.
didn't mean for that.
No, it's fine. Yeah, so far, if I do it this way, this is just from whatever you have. It looks like I can compile 4 cases, right? With the -D flag to kind of check on each of this.
Okay.
So what confused me is that why on your window subsystem for Linux that it will basically just hangs there forever. Is that finished, or can you try to run this line again?
Yes.
It looks like it takes forever, right?
This one?
Yeah. No, forgot a G. You know what? You can this will be okay. Just move the cursor all the way to the and then add a G. Enter. So what I don't understand is why it took forever for that one. Okay. Are there any other questions about if def? Okay, so why don't you try to see if that will work, and then you can come back for the other question. The second question was there arrow about include file, include not found or something? Is that I thought that was your case, right? Okay, so either one of you, can you share your screen? Okay, all right. If you rather not, do you want to, I can actually look at your screen. So that's not, I can pause. Let's pause. So I'm going to talk about how you can validate your answer. This is the right way to validate. Okay. So for example, if I have my program, let me try to make.
So you only got the display to
And I'm actually going to do, I'm going to run the program. You can see that this is partially about the answer I'm getting. So now I try to see, well, how do I actually validate whether this offset part is actually correct? So now I'm going to open another window. So now I'm actually going to, if you take a look at your make file, it's already here in the first line. It basically say, well, how do you actually be able to print out this one? So at this moment, I'm going to say make IoT thing layout. Wait a minute, IoT thing layout. Okay, so now I'm actually look at ML IoT thing .txt. Okay, so just look at the last one. If you try to compare, first is sequence number, right? The sequence number generated by the CC1 compiler is 12. That's why you take a look at here, the sequence number is actually 12. So now you take a look at the core. The virtual base is 32. And over here is 32 here. Wait a minute. Why is this? There's a difference over here. Let me actually check. Did I actually access the same thing? 1 second. Oh, no. Sorry, this one. Okay, sorry, it should be this one. So you can see here, the output I just got, look at only the last one. The layout sequence number is 12. That should match the sequence number 12 here. If you look at the core and the class ID and the core, they are both 36. That's why it's matched 36. So basically every single line, you're just using the first command in the make file as I provided in the reference implementation. This will actually help you to generate exactly the memory layout that when you need to produce. So they are the same, because I actually provide a file that's actually maybe modified here and there during the instruction. So those file is actually not necessarily consistent with whatever your program is generating. So it's always use this line to actually validate. Okay. All right. So you want to do the same thing. Okay. Yes. Let me actually pause the